Hey everyone, it's the Villagemayor, discovering places through photography. In this video, I'm going to take you to Colonel Samuel Smith Park, located between Humber College's Lakeshore East campus and the Lake Ontario shoreline. Because there is an active college next to the park, parking is going to be at a premium here, so the best option is to either take transit or wait until the weekend when parking is free. This park is great for landscape, nature, and wildlife photography. In fact, I passed by many bird watchers in the park for bird photography. The tour starts off at a junction of a gravel trail and road access, where in the first photo, the main interest is the tunnel of trees. Although dark, the tunnel doesn't seem too haunting though. One of the main features of the park is the marina, home to dozens of yachts and a small marine harbor. This is where you can take some interesting photos of the boats in the background. And if you have a few days of calm winds, you can even take photos of the reflections of the skies. In the next photo, you can see I took advantage of the fall foliage for some interest as well. The park has a rich ecosystem despite having a number of gravel trails and is a very popular park for locals. My last visit here was in October, so there were still leaves on the trees and migrating birds in abundance. There are wetlands, forests, meadows, and rocky beaches here, all providing unique landscapes. And because the park juts out into the lake, you can get an amazing view of the Toronto skyline. This one is of the collection of condos by Humber Shores, also previously known as the motel strips back in the 1980s, and of course the Toronto skyline in the distance. The best place to view the skyline is a part of the park called Wimbrel Point. This point is elevated and affords a great view of not only Toronto, but also Mississauga as well. Well, that wraps up this video of Colonel Samuel Smith Park. I highly recommend you to visit here on a self-tour. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again soon.